going to teach you how to do a really cool magic trick. How's that sound? Cool? Do you know how to do a magic trick already? No? Okay. I'm going to teach you how to do a cool magic trick, and it's cool because it uses objects that you can find at home. Maddox, like a balloon and a deck of cards. This is what you do. Grab a deck of cards, you have someone reach in, pull out a card. Any card you want, grab one out. You got it? Sure. You got it? Good. Hold it up high, show everybody the card, make sure they see the card over here on the side, make sure they see it in the back, on the back and the sides. If you can see the card, say yes!
Yes!
Maddox, make sure he sees it. We're over here on the side, okay, bud?
Slower.
That's good. You guys got that?
Yeah!
All right, thank you. This is going to be easy. Maddox and everyone else, remember the 9 of clubs, okay? If you forget the 9 of clubs, this trick is really lame. Maddox, take a look at this balloon. Grab that balloon, bud. You got it? Shake the balloon. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Make sure it's cool. Nothing tricky about it, right? That's good. Toss it over here. Toss it to me. That's very good. All right, now Maddox, I'm going to trust you, okay? This is a little sharp. Can I trust you? No? Oh, I can? Okay, good. Okay. Maddox, roll your sleeves up, bud, so no one thinks you're cheating. Magician. All right. All right, you got this? Please be careful, okay? It's very sharp. Hold on to this, okay? Put your arm all around in front of you like that. Use your muscles. You got it? Use your muscles. Hold on tight. Don't let go. Okay, you make me nervous. All right. Use 2 hands, Max. 2 hands. 2 hands. There you go. That's better. Okay. Okay, good. Now, Max, don't move, okay? Arms out in front of you all the way. Hold on tight. Don't let go. Maddox, don't move. Maddox, don't move. Don't move. Maddox, don't move. Maddox, I'm going to teach you how to do that, okay? I'm teaching you. Now, when is your birthday? When did you turn 7? October 27th,
Right.
okay? October 27th. 7 years old, okay? There'll be a birthday party. At this party, there'll be some balloons. Grab a balloon from the party, you can do this trick. Any balloon, okay? Do you have a deck of cards? Do you have a deck of cards? You do? At your house. Okay, good. So you got a deck of cards. Now, it doesn't matter what card they pick. It doesn't have to be the 9 of clubs. It can be any card. Grab it. Grab it. You got it? Hold it up high. Show everybody the card. Which one is it? I hope you read fast. Which card is it? Which card? Just hold it. It's 6 of diamonds, okay? 6 of diamonds. All right, so basically, all you have to do to be able to do the simple magic trick, Maddox, is hide that card in your hand. If you can hide that card in your hand, you're all set to go. Now, magicians have a secret technique they do when they hide cards in their hand. I'll show you what. Kind of like that.
He's been hiding his hand.
That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good.
He's been hiding his hand.
You have the right idea. You have the right idea. Remember that. I want, you know, that's okay. That's good. Except I have a tip for you. If you walk around your party like this all day long, yeah, it's a little suspicious. I'll show you what it looks like, Maddox. I'll take the card. You got it? 6 of diamonds? Okay. This is what it looks like. You have the right idea, though, okay? This is called palming. It's a secret technique magicians do when they hide cards in their hand. It's called palming, okay? Some people call this cheating. It's not. So, that's palming. That's a secret, right? Right. You don't let anybody see that, okay? So you hold your hand very naturally at your party, Maddox, so no one notices. There's not really a card there, Maddox. You're just pretending. Smile. Maddox! Someone wants to give a high five at the party right there. Bam. Totally normal. Maddox, if someone says, hey, can I see your other hand? You say? No. That's right. Okay, good. I'll show you what it looks like with a clear balloon. You hold the card against the balloon. You have somebody pop the balloon. Maddox, all you have to do is hold on to that card. You hold on to the card, balloon pops, looks like the card came right out of the balloon. Is that cool?
Oh, yeah.
You think you can do it? Yeah? One big tip. Don't use a clear balloon. We'll see it. Maddox, hold out your left hand. Other left. Keep your hand right there, Maddox. Don't move. Keep it right there. Maddox, if someone sees the card hidden in that palming technique, there's only one thing you can do. Say, go.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Give it up for my buddy Maddox! That's so funny. Maddox, to make such a great magician, I'm going to give you this. It's my DVD called Trickery. It'll teach you 21 magic tricks you can do to make your family and your friends. That's for you for doing such a great job. Keep it going.